Hey guys, what's up? So, to me showing top best trade trees, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tree is called Not Live Text. Recognize text in your photo, only support English currently. It's called PoDrive Launcher iOS Dev, and Minecraft Java Edition comes to iOS. This tree is called BioLocker, and simple, lightweight, and elegant locker for your apps. This tree is called Cuckoo or Susu, and customize target notifications, banners, dismiss. This tree is called Universal Video Downloader Plus. Download videos, download almost any video stream or video file from many different apps with the Universal Video Downloader. So you save video content from many different apps so you can watch it later even without an internet connection. Supports iOS 8 to 14. This is called D&D status bar and turn the status bar to purplish. So when Do Not Disturb is enabled, it turns the status bar to purple. This is called a call recorder X Plus, supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. It's a native call recorder, so you can pretty much record your calls. Just make sure you guys comply and follow the laws in your county, and read this guy's warning or legal notice it, and follow it. If you guys don't, your developers aren't responsible. If you guys how you guys use this tweak, and you could be breaking the law. A lot of people are waiting for this tweak to be updated for iOS 14. It's called Nets Up. Supports iOS 12 and 13 as of right now. Not compared with iOS 14.2 and above, so anything below iOS 14.2 it should work. So what it does is pretty much tells you what the next song that is playing, and supports these apps right here. She's called D&D badges, and turn the notification badges to purple when Do Not Disturb is enabled. This is called libhooker, general purpose injection and hooking library, version 1.6.3. Library for 64-bit devices. So you guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.